Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, so to Jurassic Park.
So we have 3 white lions is released today. And they came all the way from Germany.
Oh, Germany, gikan. Made
The
in.
lions are 6 years old, so they are still cubs. And then the fully adult of the lion is 7 years old.
Asa man?
So
Autora.
lions are nocturnal. They are active during night time. And also they can sleep 16 to 21 hours in the wild. So that's their preparation for the night hunt. And also white lions are not albino. So they are leucistic animals. So reducing to pigmentation, that's why they have lighter shade than the usual African lion.
Turasam. Nailayon dia. Turo diri, napikas. Tanaw lang.
So kanina sa likod sir, pwede mo stand up kanina sa likod.
Oh, daro,
So
daro.
tara itong white lions.
Daro. Turasam, kita kasam?
Sir, ang atong white lion sir, dili albino. Less lang ilang milalin, that's why they have lighter shades than the usual African lion. So dili kita white at
Lions. Oh, tanaw mo, Franz. Kita kasam? Pila ka count be?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 ka dia.
Patay.
Na. Dadaghan na.
Ipangitaan taan sa duha. Wa ra wa tanag kuha ha.
Na.
Natulog yun sila.
Ah.
Naglakaw-lakaw sila kamatay.
Na.
Wait.
Si whip whip.
Wala pang sakit sa ulo, natulog na, tira na.
Awan tiil, saka pa.
21.
Oh. Ah, usara din. Ayo, di pwede gawas. Paakon ka. Na, dakwa no.
So, white lions are nocturnal, so they are active during night time.
Ah, mo day nang
So
matug.
they can sleep 16 to 21 hours.
Lo.
Pitak-pitak na.
So they eat pork and chicken, and then they can consume 5 to 8 kilos of meat per lion once a day.
Adi man 5 to 8 kilos. Pero yun eh.
80 plus. 80 pila ka? Aw, pila ka? Aw, si pareha mig weight ni Franz. Si EG day. Lo, lingi na Miguel. Wait, hadlock gid mo. Awang white lion no? Oo. Sam. Di pwede gawas kamot kay paakon. Hala, tara Sam, balik na sit down. Oh, Franz. Isa ha.
So, sama si Kuya.
Gisam, ali Sam.
Naglingkod kaya.
Lingkod lang kuya. Para di ka mahagbong. Wah! Ang ride pa lang daan, paksit. Ah, usara din ni ka-car, tiktoyok.
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay.
Pero doon is sir, so ang asan is naubat man.
Ah,
Mga nang utaroy na operate lang ron.
okay.
Ito yung manaog African Savannah.
Manami,
Sa how about the crocodile?
wala pa.
Excuse me, sir. Tapos na kayo mag-ano, no? African Savannah? Ah, okay. So your next stop will be the African Savannah. And then inyo, sir, is crocodile.
Crocodile. Asa man ang crocodile pa dong?
So doon na sa African Savannah, sir. So pahatod na sa driver, ano?
Ah, okay.
So that ends our tour here in White Line Safari. So thank
Oh.
you, everyone.
Isa ha. Okay.
So watch your step.